Hello, welcome. Yes, this is Caitlin, and today I want to share you this kind of product. This is our valve assembly. If you're interested about this one, please follow me. The VCI anti-rust bag. The label, Shumatt logo. If you want to print your own logo, contact us. Logo, label, packaging bag, and so on. Customize the services. Product code F00VC01349. Application model number 0445110249, 0445110250. QR code. Inside, we have two forms of our packages. The inside part is like this. Not only sealing whole side, but also sealing separate parts. Valve cap with coating and cover letters. Valve roll, different sizes and lengths. If you want other sizes, contact us. Okay, that's all the details we are showing today. Yes, about the warranty, we have the 6 months warranties. Yep. Also here, 3 tips for you. The first tip is if you wanted to clean it with oil. The second tip is make sure the valve cap in the right position. The third tip is make sure the valve roll can be moved smoothly. Okay, that's all. Yes. If you remember to follow us at our channel and feel free to contact us. Okay, so much for today's product introduction. Thank you for watching. See you next time. Bye bye.